Shout out! Nasa Barag-Barag TV tayo, Barag-Barag TV.
Hi guys, lagi andyan.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Ano pala na sikreto mo, Father Dan?
Oh, shout out. Ay mga kabarag, andito tayo sa Goa National High School Library. Ito ang mga estudyante ng mga studios. Studios mga estudyante.
Mga choir member ko.
Choir member, sample.
Ipinapansin, ingay sa tabing, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Ipinapansin, ika'y paiikuti ng dahan-dahan, sa gitama ng daan. Ipinapansin, ingay sa tabing, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Ipinapansin, ika'y paiikuti ng dahan-dahan, sa gitama ng daan.
Wow, galing. Hello. Kaway-kaway. Nasa Barag-Barag TV tayo.
Emilia from Marinduque Council from Marinduque National High School. Over.
Sige, naman conversation kasi naka-ano ka na. Naka-ano ka lang. Ako to mo siya kung alam sa kapital. Naka-ano sa kapital.
DW1 Victor Uniform Zulu. How's my signal strength there? Over.
DX4PR, you're a 5-9 over here in Marinduque. Over. Delta Romeo, this is Delta Exponent Alpha Romeo.
DX4PR, tapos thank you for the contact. 7
DW1 Victor Uniform Zulu. This is DX4PR. Copy your station. Thank you 73 and mabuhay.
DX4PR, thank you for talking with us. Happy birthday.
Katawa mo sa tanan ko kasi isip ko hindi ka madidistract. Sabi ba? Sige.
CQ, this is DX4PR. Calling for QSO over.
Romeo Alpha November.
CQ, this is DX4PR. Calling for QSO over.
DX4PR, this is Delta X-ray 5 Romeo Alpha November. We have a QSO over.
Delta X Romeo Alpha November. This is DX4PR. Go ahead.
DX4PR, this is Delta Romeo Alpha November. I copy you. I'll be your QSO. Over.
May ano yung built na x-ray ano yun?
Delta X-ray 8, Romeo Alpha Romeo, this is DX7 CBU calling for
Magkulit ka, mag-secret tayo.
CQ, this is DX4PR. Calling for QSO over.
Sa yung tagal, pakiulit mo yung police station ng Beach Copia.
Delta X-ray 8, Romeo Alpha Romeo,
O, paulitin mo doon sa nagka-calling sa atin. Hindi niya na po,
Yeah.
kasi malabo yan. Paulitin mo lang. Yung calling station din ng Beach Copia. Please call it.
Ulit po ng calling station ng DX4PR. Over.
DX7 CBU looking for CQ calling back. DX4 PX Alpha Romeo. This is Delta X-ray 4 5 Romeo Alpha November.
Beach.
Delta X-ray 4 Romeo Alpha November. This is Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo. Over.
Pwede mo sabihin na namin siya.
Ano po? Kuha. Mike Juliet Gold.
Hindi na po sir. Diyan na.
Juliet Hotel Alpha, kunti-kunti lang.
Sorry, I wasn't able to
alin na, alin yung
May tapos may habol yung makasala.
Pinaghanap dito. Yung saan ang magkano na yun daw? Iwan.
pwede nito para lang ko nito, basta yaw so ano yan. Dito pag-isip na nasa order.
As proper, only 1 to 2 amateurs per club who are affiliated with para shall be allowed to assist the girls. Names of assisting amateurs shall also be indicated and submitted in the contest registration form. Other amateur club members not registered in the contest will only be the observers. Radio amateurs registered in the uniform looking for USO. Under the supervision of the licensed amateur radio operator, all the members of the participating patrol should have radio contact during the contest period. Only Girl Scouts shall contact stations for her patrol.
Mas malinaw po pala.
No local assisting licensed amateur club including licensed Girl Scouts amateur shall contact stations for his or her patrol. Delta X31 got sheriff of need to be done outside for you monetary Sheriff Hotel Alpha November Creative Digital Mode and Receiver for the internet cannot be used during the contest. In the event that hero is activated, all participants are not to use 7.095 megahertz or the contest must be stopped. Participating station must only be sending one transmitted signal per band. No cross band, no cross mode contact. Timestamp of contact must be in UTC, coordinated universal time. Non-compliance may be carry out on November 2024 Infex contest registration form the last week shall be submitted. Failure to submit registration form on or before January 26, 2024 will not be allowed to join the contest proper. All stations should check back to the net control Delta X31 Golf Sierra Papa at 7.095 megahertz at exactly starting 0845 to 0900 or 1645 to 17 hours.
Meaning, 4:45
For the conference call and exchange, for the local station call CQCQ, example CQCQ, this is the X31, the Alpha number. I copy that your handle is linked, call my station, here is National High School Interview City serial number, and thinking grade greeting. Your scouting and your guiding is a thread that ties us together. Let us strive for our future and explore how we can positively contribute to the natural world in our life. Happy World Thinking Day. For the DX station call, call CPDX contest. Example, station call sign, city, province, country, signal report, and serial number. In the event that
List. Your serial number is 5/9001. Over.
could I get my log number? Over.
Number 1.
Your log number is 001. Over. Likewise,
DX4PR. This is DW1 Victor Uniform Zulu. My handle is Nika. Mike India Charlie Alpha Hotel. I repeat, Mike India Charlie Alpha Hotel. And my troop number is 311 and I am from Marinduque Council. Mike Alpha Romeo India November Delta Uniform Quebec Uniform Echo. I repeat, Mike Alpha Romeo India November Delta Uniform Quebec Uniform Echo. And you're hitting me A59 and you are 003 in my logbook.
003.
Over.
Naindot sinda dyan. Magano na lang kita mag-change na lang frequency. Naindot sinda dyan.
Yung ganun yung pagkakas niya. 3 or 2? 3. 7-1.
Piglista mo si frequency.
Hindi po. 7.100. 0.0. Ano na po?
DX1R Romeo, I copy your contact. My name is Sean as Sierra Hotel Alpha November. May I know your location? Over.
My location is Marikina City, Philippines. Marikina City.
I copy your location. My location is in Goa, Camarines Sur, specifically in Goa National High School. You are coming here 5 by 9 and you are on my second list. Your serial number is 002. Over.
Thank you, Sean. Happy birthday.
Thank you, 73. Mabuhay.
X31 Romeo, Delta X31 Romeo, Delta X31 Romeo, calling
CQ, the station. This is DX4PR calling for QSO. Over.
Delta X31 Romeo, calling CQ and listening.
CQ, the station. This is DX4PR calling for QSO. Over.
Go, go.
CQ, the station. This is DX4PR calling for QSO. Over.
Go ahead, what is your Delta United 4 Alpha Delta Charlie DU4 Alpha Delta Charlie.
GSP, this is DX4PR. Over. This is DX4PR. Over.
CDX4PR, this is Delta X-ray 7 Charlie Bravo uniform.
Come again.
DX4PR, this is Delta X-ray 7 Charlie Bravo uniform. Over.
Delta Charlie Bravo uniform. This is DX4PR. May I know your location? Over.
DX4PR, this is Delta X-ray 7 Charlie Bravo uniform. My location is Compostela National High School, Cebu. My name is Gian. I'll spell it for you phonetically. Golf India Alpha November. Again, Golf India Alpha November. And you are coming here 5-9. May I know your handle, please? Over.
DX7 CBU, I copy your contact. My name is Sean as Sierra Hotel Alpha November. I am from Goa, Camarines Sur, Goa National High School. You are coming here 5 by 9 and your serial number is 003. Over.
Come again, your location. Over.
My location is in Goa, Camarines Sur. I will say it to you phonetically. Golf, Oscar, Alpha. Over. DX7 CBU, may I know my serial number? Over.
Delta X-ray 4, Papa Romeo, Delta X-ray 7 Charlie Bravo uniform, your serial number is number 12.
Okay na. Thank you for your contact, DX7CBU, 73 Mabuhay, over.
Charlie Bravo, Nick B. Big Bravo.
CQ station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO, over.
Echo. Again, my handle name is Camille, Charlie, Alpha, Mike, India, Lima, Lima, Echo. This is Delta X-ray for Papa Romeo. My QTH is Goa Camarines Sur, Philippines, specifically at Goa National High School. Over. DX1 my Golf My QTH is Goa Camarines Sur, as in Golf Oscar Alpha, over.
Yung Camarines hindi mo pinag
DX, QSL, DX1, MGS, over. Likewise, DX1 my Golf Sierra Lira, QSL 73 Mabuhay and Happy World. CQ station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO, over.
Delta United 1, Juliet Mike.
CQ Delta United 1 Juliet Mike, this is DX4PR, over.
Yeah, PSL, DX4 PI, that is Papa India. Yeah, good morning. Your signal report is 5 and 9, 59, and the exchange is 002, number 2, and my name is June. Juliet, United, November. June is my name, and my QTH or location is in Batangas, like Bravo, Alpha, Tango, Alpha, Golf, Alpha, Golf, Alpha, Sierra, Batangas. Back to you, the DX4 PI, this is Delta, Uniform 1, Juliet Mike.
I-correct mga ano, for Papa Radio.
D Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo, over.
That is Papa Radio PSL.
QSL, over.
Okay, thank you. What is my number and your name and location?
Your number on my list is 010, over.
Okay, and the name?
My name is Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha. Again, Juliet Hotel Alpha. And my location right now is in Goa, Camarines Sur. And you're coming here 5 by 9. And your serial number on my list is 0010, over.
From Batangas to Mira. So, thank you, Ja, and 73, good luck. DX4 Papa Radio, this is Delta Uniform 1, Juliet Mike. Bye-bye, Ja, and 73.
Likewise, 73, Mabuhay. CQ station, this is DX4 calling for QSO, over.
Wala ko may sinasabi ko. Naguga ka na, Naguga ka na, diretso na.
CQ station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO, over. CQ station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO, over.
CQ, this is DX1 FCT as in Delta X-ray 1 Foxtrot Charlie Tango calling and standing by.
DX1 FCT, this is DX4PR, over.
DX4CR, this is DX1 FCT, good morning. My name is Shi as in Sierra Hotel, India. My QPH is Lucena City, Quezon Province. You are coming here 59 and you are number 013 on our lab.
Pati sa serial number.
DX1 FCT, this is DX4PR, and my handle name is Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha, again, Juliet Hotel Alpha, and my location right now is in Goa, Camarines Sur. You're coming here 5x9. Your serial number on my list is in 013, over. 011, over.
DX4CR, this is DX1FCT. Thank you for the contact, 73 and mabuhay. Happy thinking day by DX4CR, this is DX1FCT.
This is DX4 Papa Radio, over. Again, this is DX4 Papa Romeo, over. CQ station, this is DX4 PR calling for QSO, over. CQ station, this is DX4 PR calling for QSO, over. CQ station, this is DX4 PR calling for QSO, over. Delta X2 Charlie Alpha Echo, this is DX4 PR, over.
Charlie Alfa Romeo.
Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo.
Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alfa Romeo, this is DX4 Papa Romeo, over.
Yes, Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo, this is Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo. My name is Christy, well as Foxtrot, Romeo, India, Tango, Lulu, India, Tango. My QTH is GST Baguio City Council. Your signal report is 5x9. Your serial number is 004. Over.
Come again, over.
Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo, this is Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo. My name is Victory, well as Foxtrot, Romeo, India, Tango, Lulu, India, Tango. My QTH is GST Baguio City Council. Your signal report is 5x9. Your serial number is 004. Over.
DX2 Charlie Alpha Romeo, your handle name is Fritzy, like Foxtrot, Romeo, India, Tango, Zulu, India, Echo, right? Over.
Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo, this is Dex. Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo.
Can I have your location, over?
My location is GST Baguio City Council.
GSP Baguio City Council.
My handle name Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha. Again, Juliet Hotel Alpha. Your signal strength here is 5x9 and my location is Goa, Camarines Sur. Your serial number is 01012 over.
Delta for Papa Romeo. This is Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo. Can I get your name again?
My handle name is Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha. Again, Juliet Hotel Alpha. Your signal report is 5x9 and my location is Goa, Camarines Sur. And your serial number is 012. Over.
Delta X-ray 4 Papa Romeo. This is Delta X-ray 2 Charlie Alpha Romeo. I copy my serial number as 012. Serial number is 004. Over.
Thank you for your contact. Good luck and happy World Thinking Day 73 and mabuhay. CQ station, this is DX4TR calling for QSO over. CQ station, this is DX4TR calling for QSO over.
DX2CAR, this is DW1 Victor Uniform Zulu.
DW1 Victor. We already have your contact. DW142 over. CQ station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO over.
DX4CR, this is DU482, DU4 Alpha Delta Charlie.
Come again.
This is DU4 Alpha Delta Charlie. Delta United 4 Alpha Delta Charlie.
DU4 ADC, we have contact you over. CQ station, this is DX4 calling for QSO over.
So DX4 station, again the call sign please.
My call sign is Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha.
The Delta X-ray 4 station, may I have the suffix of your call sign?
This is DX4PR over.
Copy naman DX4PR. This is Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee. You're coming in 5-9 at Compostela National High School, Cebu. The handle here is normal, November, Oscar Romeo, Mike, Alpha, November.
Sky.
Can you repeat your station over?
Tinatawag naman Delta X-ray 4, Papa Romeo, the call sign here is Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee. Transmitting from Compostela, Cebu.
Anong serial number?
What is my serial number? Over.
Yes, sir. Delta X-ray 4, Papa Romeo, you are number 15 on the road, number 15 on the road. Once again, with your number, please.
May I know your station? Over.
Yes, sir. The station is Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee. Once again, Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee.
DV7. DV7 Sky.
QSL over.
Your handle.
Delta X-ray 4, Papa Romeo, Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee. Once again, with your handle and your location.
My handle name is Ja, as in Juliet Hotel Alpha. Again, Juliet Hotel Alpha. Your signal report is 5x9. My location is Goa, Camarines Sur, and your signal number is 013 over.
Delta Victor 7, Sierra Kilo Yankee. Copy the number 1 and your hotline on my end once again. Thank you for the cue, so my 73 and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. Happy World Thinking Day 73 and mabuhay. This is DX4PR. Thank you for your contact. Thank you. Happy World Thinking Day 73 and mabuhay.
for the contact, DX4PR 73, and good luck for the Infex contact and happy work season break.
Siki Station, this is DX4PR calling for QSO, over.
Bravo, Lima, ready for checkback.
Okay. Okay. So, saan na muli?
DX1GSP, this is DX4PR. My handle name is Jill, as in Juliet, India Lima. My location is Goa, Camarines Sur. And your signal strength is, you are coming here 5/9 and you are at 020 on my list.
DX4PR, this is DX1. This is Delta X-7, Charlie Bravo Uniform. May I know how many girls are there? And what category are you joining for?
Field station. Field station.
DX1GSP, we are 8 girls and our category is field station low power. Over.
Uy, nasa jail.
Uy, not.
DX1GSP, may I know my serial number, please? Over.
DX4PR, this is DX1GSP. Your serial number is 018.
DX1GSP, thank you. Happy World Thinking Day 73 and mabuhay.
PR, this is DX1GSP. Thank you for the QSO. Good luck and
Jump shot! Go, 3, go! Ay, mahulog! Thank you po! Ay po, sorry ako. Nagatay-tay. Ay po, sa palaglag ko. Follow and share. Please follow my YouTube channel. Hello, ma'am! Ma'am, nandito na ako, ma'am! Road to 1A, 73, mabuhay! Road to 1A, 73, mabuhay!